What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Time to continue with these iPhone videos because we need to crank them out now. There's a lot of cases still to get through that I want to show you that could potentially live on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any phone you've got, because there's some great cases out there right now. So this one is from Spigen. It is the Enzo Aramid. We've showed this one in the past and it's currently actually living on my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I wish it had MagSafe on the 9 Pro XL case. It still looks great and they look great together, and I'll show you that. There'll be an overlay right now and it'll show you the both phones together. Got MagFit for MagSafe, iPhone 16.9 2024, Enzo Aramid, Spigen logo on there. Not much going on the box, so let's just get straight into it. And there it is, the Enzo Aramid fiber case. So there we go. So nice sort of silicone-y, bumperish outer edge. Anodized aluminium buttons. They look good, especially on this case. Looks nice and stylish. Camera control cutout. The Spigen logo on the bottom in the Aramid fiber. God, it feels good. It does feel good. And then inside, microfiber lining, Enzo Aramid, magnetic case for iPhone, MagFit. Aero core technology, made for genuine Aramid, 16.9.4, whatever that is on the bottom. I'm not too sure, but yeah, looks great, looks the part. Nice, the same ring around the camera cutout. So let's just grab the 16 Pro Max and let's just go ahead and slap it in. Okay, there we go. There's the Enzo Aramid case on the 16 Pro Max. The camera's nice and recessed into the housing, so you can go ahead and place it down like so and not have to worry. The lip running around the edge, now because I have a screen protector on mine, it doesn't sit flush. There is a bit of a gap there, so if I place it down, I don't think it's going to touch if you got a screen protector on. I honestly wouldn't like to say for definite, because I mean, if you look, there is a bit of a lip. There is a bit of a lip running all the way around the edge, as you can see, but I don't know whether it's enough if you got a screen protector on. If you haven't got a screen protector on, perfectly fine, place your phone down. There's the camera control button, nice easy access to that. The camera cutout is that, the cutout for it is that big that you can get your finger nicely in there and get the pushing on it. I do use the camera control button. Power button, your volume rockers and your action button, but nice and clicky, nice and tactile, exactly what you want. Your charger port recessed, speakers, the microphone's all nice and recessed. Let's go ahead and grab my MagSafe battery pack and slap it on the back. Slaps on, and that's what it's going to look like. It's now charging, so that ain't coming off. Whew. But of course that's not the big test. The big test is of course the Nomad base stand. And if you slap it onto, oof, it just took it out of my hand. It's charging, and yeah, no issues there at all. So the reason obviously I do that test is because say you have a charging stand that sits sort of like this and you put it on, and if it doesn't hold and your phone sort of slips off and slips down, it's no longer charging. So when you wake up in the morning, the phone isn't charged anymore. And that's why I do that test, even though I don't have to explain it now because I've explained it that many times. That's why I do that test. The Aramid fiber feels amazing. It really does. Like, it feels great. It's nice and textured. There it is. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. But as I say, I've got the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in the same case. They look great next to each other. Please, Spigen, I'm asking you nicely, please put MagSafe on the S25 Ultra one. Please put it on there, because these two together knock it out the park. Will knock it clean out the park, I guarantee you. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. I'll leave both of them in case you have a Pixel 9 Pro XL. I'll leave that link down there too. But let me know what you think of the Enzo Aramid. I think it's a great case, great MagSafe, great protection, and of course the Aramid fiber feels amazing. Obviously I've got a few more Spigen cases to get through, but if there's anything you want to see on this channel, let me know in the comment section down below. But for now guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, if you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.